Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about the pointers comparison, in the C language. So in the C language, two pointers can be compared using the relational operators like less than, equals to, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, double equals to, not equals to, as long as they come from the same array, or the same malloc function allocated to the block. Otherwise they can be compared. So rules to compare the two pointers are given here. The equals to and double equals, not equals to operators are used to compare two pointers whether they contain the same address or not. So we are going to use this equals to and not equals to operator for comparing the two pointers whether they contain the same address or not. And two pointers are equal when they both are null or contain the address of the same variable. So here the 2 points. So if you are applying the equals to operator, that is equality operator and not equals to operator. Suppose if you are applying the not equals to, that is, so we are comparing whether the two values are equal or not. So the two pointers will be equal only when both the pointers are of null value or both contains the same address variable. And here the next one is use of these equals to and not equals to operators are valid only when pointers are of the same base type. So here it must be of same data type or between a null pointer and any other pointer or void pointer and any other pointer. So we can use the equality operator and not equality operator only for the valid pointers of the same data type and base type, and similarly if these operators will satisfy when both the pointers are of the null type or both are of a void type or any other pointers, right? So use of the other relational operators less than or equals to, greater than or equals to compare two pointers is meaningful only when they both point to the elements of the same array. So we can perform these operations when both the pointers are pointing to the same array. So these are some of the rules for the pointers comparison. So now pointers cannot be multiplied or divided here, right? So normally pointer arithmetic is useful when arrays are manipulated with the pointers. So now let us get clarity about this concept by knowing the by seeing with an example. So int main int x of 579342. So this is the array I'm taking an array x with the values here. So now I need to perform the different operations, relational operations on the given array. So I'm taking the array which is x with the 5, 7, 9 and 3, 4 and 2. So this is the array I'm taking of length 6. So I'm taking the index value here. So we know that if you want to perform the comparison of the two pointers, then they both must point to same array and it must be of same data type. So obviously if you are pointing to an array means array consists of the same data type values. So it must point into same array. So here I'm taking the value at p equals to address of x of 2. So here it will point to the pointer p, and value at q equals to address x of 4. So x of 4 is this one, so it will point to the 4. So now we will see how to perform this relational operations here. I'm taking less than or equals to, greater than or equals to and equals to operator, equality operators. So first of all, p less than or equals to q. So p is pointing to 2. The address 2, so that is 9 and 4. So we are going to perform this address locations, the comparison on the address locations. So 9 less than or equals to 4. so which is false, right? 9 less than or equals to 4 is false, so it will return 0 here. Okay, it will return the 0 value. Okay, so p greater than or equals to q. So what is the here? The p value is 9 and q value is 4. 9 greater than or equals to 4, which is true, right? So it will print the value 1. And here q equals to address of x of 2. So where the q value, we are going to change the pointer q to the pointer p here, right? So we're going to change the address of the pointer q to x of 2. Okay, so now it will change the pointer here. So it will point to the x of 2 value, right? So that means q is also pointing to the address location 2. So here I'm taking p equals to q. So we're going to perform the comparison operation here. So here whether the pointer p and q are equals to or not. So it is equals to only because both are pointing to same location. So it will result in the true, right? So the output will be 1 for this statement. And so like this we can perform the pointers comparison operation, the different relation operations for the pointers comparison. Okay. So like this we can perform the other relation operators also, okay, on the same array. And remember one thing, that the not equals to operator can be applied on the array and on the same array, or a null pointer or void pointer. Okay, so this is about the pointers comparison in the C language. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.